Many clients ask, what's the best product that we can put in my bathroom floor that will give me that non-slipping factor? The truth is, we are in the bathroom, you have water coming out of the shower. Number one, always pay attention, because no matter what product, unless it's carpet, but we don't want carpet in the bathroom anymore, unless there is no other product that will give you that 100% non-slipping feel. So pay attention. Don't just go with, I put my towel, I'm good. It doesn't happen. So if you have water dripping from you, make sure to pay attention as you walk in so you don't slip. Beyond that, we do have lots of possibility of matte tile. There is also honed tile. Some people say that the matte tile is uglier in compared to the polished. Of course, it doesn't shine. But with technology, they have created all kinds of cool patterns. We can get you there, again, with the matte or the honed feel, but you still must pay attention. That's your number one.